Took you long enough, Blacksmith.
Master craftsmanship takes time.
I hope the gold paid for this is worth it, or the captain will be displeased.
I assure you, cobalt plate is exactly what you need. Here is why.
Cobalt. Cobalt is a common metal that is located in the land of Northrend. It is used by the Vrykul often in their armor and weapons. During the Scourge War, this metal was gathered and used by the Horde and Alliance, as it was a strong and easy metal to obtain in the cold lands of Northrend. Cobalt has a high resistance to the cold, making it excellent for adventurers and soldiers. It is just as strong as steel and good for weapons and armor. The pros to Cobalt is that it is good for armor and weapons. It is cold resistant, common, and easy to forge. The cons are it is slightly hard to obtain in some areas, as Northrend still has Scourge.
I see your point.
Here, before I forget, the captain special ordered this. Made from titanium.
Titanium. Titanium is a very rare metal found in the deepest, furthest points of Northrend. Titanium is debatable as the strongest metal on the planet. It is the sharpest and will never lose its edge. It also has a very low to no chance of corrosion. While it is excellent for armor and weapons, it is not commonly used as it is so rare to find. It is one of the most expensive metals on the market. The pros to titanium is that it will never corrode, never lose its sharpness, and is one of the strongest natural metals for armor and weapons. The downside is it's extremely rare to find.
I expected nothing less of a master blacksmith. Come, I have something I want to show you. We found this strange rock to the east. Perhaps you know what it is. You have a death wish?
Has your head been caved in by a dwarf? That is serenite. I'd rid it before the commander finds out if I were you.
Serenite. Serenite's connection to the old gods gives it taint. The metal in raw or refined form has been known to drive mortals mad, either for an extended period of time or permanently. It has been known for adventurers to go mad simply by walking through an area with the metal. The hardened blood of an old god, Yogg-Saron. This metal is common throughout the northern lands of Northrend. It is green in color and not easily missed. Other than the corruption, serenite is strong for armor and weapons. It is resistant to all forms of magic, even light. The only ones able to use the metal without being affected by the whispers would be undead, mainly the Acheris Death Knights, as they have more experience working with it. The pros to serenite is that it is resistant to all magic, good for armor and weapons. The downside is that it will cause corruption and madness to any mortal who is not dead. Do not use or go near.
Point taken. Very well.
Come, Tartic, let's head home.
Master, what's in the wagon? Not what we came with.
Our payment was more than gold. We have been given some materials.
Material? For what?
I am one step closer to creating the ultimate metal known to mortals.
Titan Steel. Not a widely known metal, and for good reason. Many consider this to be the metal of the Titans, or of the gods. Titan steel is extremely hard to produce, as it requires a master blacksmith and a master alchemist. As for the information is limited to those not masters of creating such a beautiful metal, it is unknown on how it is created other than titanium being used as one of the main ingredients. Nearly unheard of to see someone with full Titan steel armor. We do know that the metal itself is resistant to all forms of magic, including Fel. It is the strongest unnatural metal ever created. The pros to Titan steel is that it is resistant to all magic, very strong and good for armor and weapons. The downside is that it is nearly impossible to obtain and unheard of to most. Thank you for watching this episode of A Blacksmith Guide to Metallurgy for the World of Warcraft. As someone who blacksmiths in real life, I wanted to learn about the many metals of this game and create a guide for each one. If you wish to see another video like this, please subscribe, like the video, and comment below of what you would like to see next. I do also coverage on WoW from retail to private servers, as well as survival games, news, and gameplay. I will see you next time.